father sent me to Coach Behar. There is no political association there. You go there, you stay there. It is under Coach Behar Maharaj. At first I was there in Cotton College in Guwahati, but I was sent there now, in Coach Behar. Big hostel. In the ground floor, first year, third year, and in the first floor, second year, fourth year. I was at that time fourth year. Now, one astrologer, very famous astrologer, he predicted that in such and such time and such date, there was universal dissolution, annihilation. We were at that time on that, in that hostel. Now, all the inmates of the hostel, they are consulting what we do. This astrologer, whatever he predicted earlier, everything was correct. There will be dissolution, we will all die. Nobody will. What we are doing? Nobody says, let us perform bhajan. Let us call. Nobody. I was with them, their number is much. I didn't say anything. There was a restaurant there, inside the compound. We shall all die, let us go. We shall utilize our money. Our father and brother, they have given, we utilize the money. They will be glad. They will utilize the money. Let us go and eat. And all went to the restaurant and giving order. The owner of the restaurant was happy. Oh, this astrologer has done good. I have got I cannot supply, so much money is coming. And we are ordering rasgulla and other things, sweet meats. Give us. Taking, up to this. How much you can take? And after that, we are waiting for a dissolution. There is no dissolution. What is this? This astrologer deceived us, and what we shall say to our father and brother, we have spent everything. We are very intelligent. Now we are consulting. One of the friend on the bed said like that. And we are very much enraged against that astrologer. And they lied down. After that, he saw a dream. He dreamt a dream that there was pralaya, and he was running, crying, pralaya. What is pralaya? And this man fall down, catch hold of him. He go there. What is pralaya? What is the solution? No. Still I have remembered. Nobody amongst the inmates of the hostel, they say that you should perform bhajan. You should worship Krishna. Or they say it is better to go to the restaurant and as much as can we should eat and utilize the money. सभी भगवान का भजन करते ये बात नहीं. नमं दुक्षिण मूढ़ा प्रबद्धन्ते नराधमा मया अमृत ज्ञान आश्रम भव आश्रित. गीता. कृष्ण भगवान की उक्ति है. दुष्कृतशाली व्यक्ति, मूढ़ व्यक्ति, नराधम व्यक्ति और माया द्वारा जिनका ज्ञान खो गया, कोई भगवान का भजन नहीं करते, सभी भगवान का सहारा लेंगे मुसीबत में. In the time of danger, all will take shelter to the Supreme. No, it is not the fact. It is not written in the scripture. That requires Sukriti, previous impression of previous good deeds. चतुर्विध भजन दे मांग जन सुकृति अर्जुन आर्त जिज्ञास अर्थ ज्ञानी च भरतर्ष सुकृति न those who have served knowingly or unknowingly Supreme Lord and the sadhus devotees, there are heaps of good impressions of previous good deeds. When they will be accumulated, then you have the aptitude to take shelter at the time of peril, danger. All will not take shelter. Gajendra, in his previous birth, he was a devotee. All will take shelter to Supreme Lord. This is not in hand. गजेंद्र संकल्प किया शरणागत होंगे परमेश्वर उनका भीतर में आ गया पूर्व का जो स्टॉप करते तो आ गया इतना मुसीबत में those who have got previous impressions of good deeds heaps of previous good deeds that will act upon their real self and awake their real self. They will have the search for the truth. Not all. It is not written in the scriptures. Yes, sir. Saranagata, he is self-abundant. By his desire, everything is within him. Everything is from him, by him. And in this world is identical. World is he himself is world. But again, he is different from this cause and effect. He is separate. He is self-evolved. I am taking shelter. The cause of all causes must be self-evolved. There is no cause of it. We can know him by his own grace. Revelation. By his desire, everything is made. By his H capital, by his desire. There may be creation of infinite planets, there may be dissolution of infinite planets. By his desire. We see Brahma is creating or Mahadev is destroying, but by his power, by his will, at the proper time. At the daytime of Brahma creation. The night time, partial dissolution. Crores, millions of living beings are created, and millions of beings are annihilated, destroyed. But Supreme Lord indifferently is observed. Indifferent. These planets, all these planets, are prison house for those persons who do not want to serve Krishna, who want to enjoy. For them, all these planets have been created a prison house. You do not want to love me as Master. All our relations with Supreme Lord, actual relation, Sri Krishna. He is our eternal Master, He is our eternal friend, He is our eternal Son, He is eternal husband, everything. And now we have got the apparent relation because we do not want love Krishna as Master, as Son, as friend, as husband, so we have got non-eternal relation. This is the greatest punishment. What more punishment he can give? You do not want me to love as Master, you will get non-eternal Master. You do not want to love me as friend, non-eternal friend. This is a permanent reflection, this work of this transcendental reality. All actual issues are there in the transcendental reality. real and actual relation. No, you do not want to serve Krishna. You want to enjoy. Go there and have this non-literal relation. Grief, separation grief, extreme suffering, you get. False ego, you will get. False interest, and you will be burned in forest fire. Individual clashing, group clashing, nation clashing, forest fire. But there is only enjoy the Supreme Lord. Are all our servitors. Target is to serve Krishna. There is a peaceful region. If anybody, by some God's grace, has got this belief, and with that belief he is worshipping Krishna, without paying any attention to anybody's thought or anybody's opinion of this material world. I am of Krishna, I should worship Krishna. Go on, he is going continuously worshiping. He is in Vaikuntha. That person is most blessed. He will have no worries. Most unfortunate person is the blessed and fortunate person. I but believe I shall only, wherever he is staying, if he continue to worship, Krishna is real. I am related to Krishna, I am his eternal son, real. With that real idea, although he is not seeing him, but if he continues to worship and utter the name, calling the name of Krishna, worship, he will be in peace, he will get everything. There is no need of going through books and scriptures. That person is most lucky, fortunate, blessed. Like that. He is, after the dissolution, complete dissolution, Supreme Lord will be there. By his desire, creation is started. By his desire, all creation is annihilated. But he is always there. Beyond this, when we want to know him by our capacity, endeavor, then he is unknown. We cannot know him. He is beyond our comprehension. Mental, sense organs, and mind and intellect beyond comprehension. Oh, have you noted this? आपने जस्ट सुनी in Srimad Bhagavatam 6th canto, Shukadeva Goswami was speaking to Parikshit Maharaj. The sinners, by doing expiation of karma and jnana, tapasya, brahmacharya, samadham, all these expiation, penance, etc., he cannot be sanctified. But if he takes absolute self-discipline, he will be sanctified. Not the Bhagavan Raja Payati the Krishna Pita Prana. Actually, he will be sanctified by taking shelter to the Supreme Lord completely. And by this, in jnana, tapasya, austerity, penance, brahmacharya, celibacy, all these things they do, by that they cannot become sanctified. By only taking shelter, absolute submission, unconditional surrender, how can I get it? Tat Purusha Nishevaya. Tat Oriyam Tasya. The personal associate of Supreme Lord. Those who have surrendered, if we serve them, then that nature will be transmitted to our real self. And we can serve. That is the only way. Bhakti Thakur Vahi Bhakti. Samat lagi, it is useless. If you cannot have any surrender to the perceptual channel, you cannot know, you cannot enter. Amnaya prahotatvam. The ontological aspect we know through amnaya, through perceptual channel, the subtile channel. You have to take absolute truth. इसलिए वहाँ पर therefore when I have been to America, other places, there sometimes some devotees and also of this conduct that mentally disturbed. There, some of the other groups, they are saying something, and they have lost their faith in their guru. Then I told them, you will lose everything. There, as the universal energy of Supreme Lord, in the form of those persons, they have come to detach you from the perceptual channel and hurl down to the informer. Be very careful. Don't lose belief in the perceptual channel, then everything will be lost. Swami Maharaj is speaking not by his own capacity. He was ordered by his Gurudev. There is something different. He is not speaking by his own power. You should not lose belief in that. Then everything will be lost. This is the perceptual channel, Amnaya Prahata. There is something different. Brahma, when he tried to know, he has got so much span of life, so he cannot calculate what to speak of us. Thousands of important parents he couldn't understand. But Krishna, when he imparted his knowledge to them, then he could understand. Brahma is an important, transfused. But that is the process. Now, भगवान का स्वरूप है, वो स्वरूप होने से माइक हो जाएगा, ये बात नहीं। ये माया का माफिक इस प्रकार नहीं है भगवान का। भगवान का स्वरूप वास्तव में उनका ही स्वरूप, वो सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है। उनका नाम रूप गुण लीला परिकर धाम सब है, लेकिन ये जगत का माफिक इस प्रकार जन्म कर्म कुछ भी नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। वो नित्य है, उनका नाम नित्य, रूप नित्य, गुण नित्य, लीला नित्य, परिकर नित्य, धाम नित्य, सब नित्य है। It is not like this in this world. The temporary things, material things that they have got, they are produced by the initial energy, and some after they will be destroyed. That which is produced will be destroyed. God is not produced. Even Atma is not produced and cannot be destroyed. Paramatma is the cause of Atma, supremely eternal. All existence, all knowledge, all bliss is Purna Satchidananda Vigraha, Ishvara Parma Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karma. Everything is there. He has got inconceivable power. If you can get knowledge of Supreme Lord, submission, you will see adjustment, everything. In most contrary circumstances, you will see adjustment and peace. As for example, Prahlad Maharaj has got one-pointed devotion to Supreme Lord. And under all circumstances, he is undisturbed and calm and serene. Because God is such. If you have concentration have concentration to God, everything will be adjusted. In this world, you will not find adjustment. हमारा गुरु महाराज इसलिए ऐसा बंद हो गया। ये दुनिया में सामंजस्य देख नहीं पाएंगे जब हम अपना मुनासिब सबको तैयार पाने के लिए पीछा करेंगे, तो हमारा आखिरी में फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगा। आपसे अनबैलेंस्ड ये चेतन जीव है ना, चेतन जीव, रिलेटिव इंडिपेंडेंस। हमारा मुनासिब भी नहीं होगा, हम चाहते हमारा मुनासिब सब हो, नहीं होगा। एक पिता माता का 5 लड़का 10 लड़का है, 10 किस्म का होता है, पिता माता की बात सुनता नहीं। नेचर जैसे है, अलग अलग होता है, उनका जन्म कर्म स्वभाव अलग होता है, संग उससे उनका प्रकृति बनता है। I cannot make them adjusted to me, but I am to adjust with the environment. I cannot make the environment adjusted to me, like me. Even Supreme Lord is not interfering in the relative independence of every sentient being. How can I do? I shall have to make me adjusted with the environment. I cannot make the environment adjusted to me. They will not like my order. As I do not always cannot obey the orders of others, they are also cannot do this. I myself, I have got my own wings. If any Vaishnava tells, can I do it? This is nature, relative independence. If you get the demand, they all should come like me, my order, you will see, act. Then you will be prostrated. They may obey or may not. But if you force, and if they do not obey your order, you will be upset. Prahlad Maharaj was not upset. He tried his son to become a sadhu. But he failed, but he has not upset because he adjusted himself with the environment. We try to adjust the environment, so they forcibly, they should be adjusted to me. How they should be adjusted to me? I am to adjust with the environment. Then we shall see the adjustment. The unnatural. होगा नहीं, कभी नहीं हो सकता। जो एकदम ट्रांसेंडेंटल रियल्म है, वैकुंठ धाम, वृंदावन धाम, वहां पर भी स्वतंत्रता है। दास्य भक्ति में बहुत वेराइटीनेस है, बहुत स्वतंत्रता है, लेकिन स्वतंत्रता भगवान के सुख के लिए है। जब वैराग्य नहीं रहे तब तक लीला नहीं होता है। दशरथ में सब एक किस्म का नहीं है, खरखोर में सब एक किस्म का नहीं है, बहुत कुछ है। वो देखने से घबराने की बात नहीं है। संसार में तो दुख होगा रहा है, इसलिए झूठ अभिमान है, लेकिन वहां पर भगवान की सेवा के लिए है, वहां पर भी स्वतंत्रता है। अलग 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 लोग सब है भगवान की सेवा के लिए। टारगेट भगवान की सेवा। इसलिए वही भगवान में जब भक्ति होता है, आनंद प्रीति होता है, भगवान का साथ समस्त जगत जुड़ता है, तब सब एडजस्टमेंट अपने आवाज है। और भगवान को भक्ति छोड़ के हम अलग करके कोई एडजस्टमेंट देखेंगे, विल फेल, होगा नहीं। इसलिए यहाँ पर कहते हैं वही आश्चर्य कर्मणि स्वरूप में रहते हुए अनंत असीम, देखने में सीमा का मतलब असीम, तमाम शक्ति को विभिन्न कार्य में रूपांतरित करते हुए भी भगवान निर्विकार आश्चर्य कर्म ने उनके पास में शरणागत आत्म प्रदीपाय, नव आत्म प्रदीपाय, साक्षी ने परमात्मा ने नव गिरांग विदुराय मनुष्य चेतसाम। जो प्रकाश करते हैं ना, प्रकाश के प्रकाश को देखता नहीं। प्रकाश करने वाला भगवान है। जैसे आंख से हम देखता है, आंख को नहीं देखता। जो प्रकाशक तो भगवान है, भगवान आत्म प्रदीप है, उनको हम देख नहीं रहे। हम और वस्तु देख रहा है, लेकिन उनको नहीं देख रहा है। जितना हमारा योग्यता है देख रहा है, लेकिन वो कारण रूप से है। जीव को नियंत्रण कर रहा है परमात्मा। एक ही देह रूप शरीर में जीवात्मा परमात्मा है। जीवात्मा अच्छा बुरा कर्म करते हैं और परमात्मा उसको नियंत्रण करते हैं, फल को वो नहीं कर्म करते हैं। परमात्मा उनको मैं नमस्कार करता हूँ। आत्म प्रकाश जीवन नियंत्रण परम देख नहीं रहा उनको। देखने से तो परार्थम नित्य नित्यानाम चेतन चेतनानाम एक बहुनाम विदहति कामन तब आत्मदेव पश्यंति अनुपश्यंति धीरा तेषा शांति शांति। दर्शन करने से तो शांति हो जाती, हमने देखा नहीं, लेकिन कारण रूप से है। उनसे ही सब हमारा आत्मा और जो कुछ हम लोग देखते हैं उसको प्रकाश करने वाला है, लेकिन प्रकाश को देखता नहीं। प्रकाश हमारा जो वाक्य मौन है, चित्त वृत्ति है, वो वहाँ जाके वापस आ जाते हैं। हमारा जो वाक्य है उनसे हम जानने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन जो तो बात से निकलते होते अप्राप्त मनुष्य उनको नहीं प्राप्त। मौन और वाक्य उल्टा आ जाते हैं। मैं उनके पास उनको नमस्कार करता हूँ। विदुराय अगम्य चेतसा चित्तवृत्ति सकलेर अर्थात तिनी जीवगणेर नियंता बलिया जीवेर वाक्य मन और चित्तवृत्ति समूहेर अगोचर नियंता। जीव का चित्तवृत्ति वाक्य मन का अतीत है, नहीं जान सकते। उनको मैं प्रणाम करता हूं, लेकिन जान सकते हैं कैसे? दिस here it is said that Atma Pradipaya, Supreme Lord, He is the cause of everything and He is enlightening everything. But we are not seeing the Supreme Lord. Through the eye we are seeing, but I cannot see the eye. We have got the power of seeing from Supreme Lord, but we are not seeing the Supreme Lord. If we see the Supreme Lord, we will get peace. He is regulating. He is the witness. Whatever I do, the human beings that are enslaved, they do not know. But Supreme Lord, as Paramatma, is setting into the heart of every living being. He is seeing everything. What we are doing, bad and good deeds. And the fruits of that action is regulated. Fruits are not in our hands. We make act good and bad deeds, but fruits will be given by Paramatma. He is there, and He has witnessed whatever you are doing. There is one witness. You may secretly do some sin. These human beings may not see, but Krishna is seeing, Paramatma is seeing, and you will get at the proper time the fruits. The fools, they do commit sin. They think I am committing sin in a very secret place and confidentially, and nobody knows. Supreme Lord knows. He will give the fruits. And in this mountain, Trikut Parbat, and this event has been this Gajendra, this crocodile, has attacked me. I have got so much suffering. Paramatma, Supreme Lord, is seeing this. He is a witness, he is seeing this. And he is regulating the fruits. And by our this material words and material mind, we cannot see Him. When you try to see Him, it will go and return. But He is there. I am taking absolute shelter to Him. But again, how we can know? not by these material words, material mind. Satyena pratilabhaya naishkarmana vipaschita nama kaivalyanatha nibbana sukha samvita. Evam api vipaschitaha nipunena jnanina naishkarmena sannasena satyena visuddhena satyagunena pratilabhaya pratyakkhena pratpaya nibbana sukha samvide mokkhananda anubhutaya কৈবল্যনাথায় নমঃ। তিনি দিব্য সুনিগণ কর্তৃক শুদ্ধ সত্মাত্মক ভক্তিযোগে প্রাপ্য হইয়া থাকেন। সেই শুদ্ধ প্রেমনাথ নির্বাণ সুখদাতাকে নমস্কার করি। He's taken shelter. How we can know? Bhakti, Naishkarma. What is Naishkarma? Naishkarma Gopal Tapani mantra. यहाँ कमेंटरी में लिखा है भक्तिरस्व भजनं तदिहामुत्रा उपाधि नैरस्येन अमुष्मिन मनः कल्पनम एतदेव नैष्कर्म। नैष्कर्म तो भक्तिरस्व भजनं। कर्म छोड़ देने से निष्कर्म नहीं होता है। कर्तव्य ही माना है, कर्तव्य से कर्म करते, मिथ्या भी करते। हम अभी कर्म छोड़ दिया, मिथ्या ही मन रह गया, वो निष्कर्म नहीं हुआ। हम तो स्वरूप में मैं भगवान का हूं, जब भक्ति साधन करूंगा तो वास्तव निष्कर्म वहां पर हमारा स्वरूप में भगवान का भजन श्रवण कीर्तन करना। भक्ति से भजनम भगवान के बारे में श्रवण कीर्तन मुख्य साधन। भगवान का नाम रूप गुणला श्रवण कीर्तन जो भजन है, जब हम भजन करेंगे तो हमारा आत्मा की वृत्ति प्रकाशित हुआ। ये होता सेवा, सेवा आ गया, भक्ति आ गया, तो कर्म तो अपने आप ध्वंस हो गया। जब हम सेवा नहीं करेंगे, अपना आत्मा वृत्ति प्रकाशित नहीं होगा, तो किस प्रकार से निष्कर्म हुआ? उनका तो फिर कर्म करने का डर रह गया। जो आत्मा का नित्य वृत्ति प्रकाशित हो गया सेवा, तो और वो गिरने का डर नहीं है। वास्तव में श्रवण कीर्तन भजन ही निष्कर्म, इसलिए उसके कहते शुद्ध भक्ति, शुद्ध सत्वात्मक। सत्यं विशुद्धं वसुदेव शब्द यदि तत्र पुमान। विशुद्ध सत्य में भगवान का आविर्भाव निर्गुण भूमिका में। विशुद्ध सत्य उसको कहते हैं अंतःकरण। विशुद्ध अंतःकरण में भगवान प्रकाशित होता है। वो विशुद्ध निर्गुण भूमिका में जो भक्ति है, मैं भगवान का हूँ, भगवान निर्गुण है, मैं भगवान का हूँ, उसके बाद जो भजन करते उसका भजन भक्ति कहते हैं। सर्वपादि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परम निर्मलम भक्ति उच्यते। All kinds of material egos you have to remove. You have to get released from those. And after that, you have to become of Him. You are not of this world. This world is nescience. The world is devoid of goodness, devoid of existence. If I become of this world, I become also unholy. By becoming unholy, how can I serve the holiest Krishna? I should become of Him. I am not of this world. Then you can serve. In that eternal relation, He is our supreme Lord, He is supreme Master. I am the eternal servant. With that relation, then you think I am of Him, and after that, whatever I do, then that will be bhakti. You engage your sense organs and objects of sense organs for the service of Krishna. After knowing that I am not of this world, I am of Krishna. Then that will be bhakti. In that bhakti sadhana, your eternal nature of the self will be awakened, and there will be no karma, no gain, no karma. Actual Naishkarma it is that. The root cause of karma will be Atma. Vishuddha Bhakti. Then, with that, you can get Paramananda Bhagavan. भगवान के लिए भगवान का भजन करेंगे तो भगवान का संग होगा। भगवान किसी के लिए नहीं है। जो भगवान का नाम करते हैं कोई दूसरी दुनिया के कोई पदार्थ के लिए, तो भगवान नहीं आएगा। एब्सोल्यूट फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड बाय हिमसेल्फ, वो भगवान का माया आएगा। तो भगवान के लिए भगवान का भजन, बाय प्योर डिवोशन मीन्स टू सर्व कृष्णा फॉर कृष्ण सेक, नॉट फॉर एनी अदर पर्पस। Then we can have contact with Krishna, who always will be drowned in the ocean of Ananda.